So we got some consumer sentiment red folder news here in about 4 minutes. You guys can hear me this morning, correct? Yesterday you guys couldn't hear me right away, so I'm just double checking. Okay, cool. Thanks, Tony. Yeah, we got some high impact news here in about 4 minutes, and just to kind of go over like a little bit of like my bias for this morning, at least what I'd like to see, I think this would make the most sense, would be obviously yesterday we talked about, you know, price on a higher time frame really starting to shift bearish, and you know, now we've seen price pull back into what looks to be a premium of this last range, this last hourly range here. We do have an order block here that I marked out. See if we get up there or not. I mean, I kind of want to see more continuation down. I believe we've put in the high of the week, so that's what I am hoping to see, would be price maybe selling off through these lows in here, potentially going for Friday's low of last week. So that's really what I'm waiting for, to see kind of something that aligns with that. The one thing that could be a possibility would be, you know, here we got the 4-hour chart trading into a 4-hour SIBI bearish fair value gap, and I don't think it'd be impossible for, you know, this candle closes in 3 minutes, maybe another candle opens up, sweeps this previous candle high, this 4-hour high, and then, you know, sets up a PD array to go short. That'd be kind of ideal. We do have opening range gap, I believe, right kind of in where we're at right now. Yeah, so opening range gap is right below price here. So just be mindful of that. I'm not gonna like marry the short bias. Obviously we're at all-time highs, so I think that'd be a foolish thing to do, but based on everything I'm seeing, kind of piecing everything together, that's what I'd like to see going into today. Just checking dollar here quick. 4-hour daily. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of hard to get a read on dollar, in my opinion, personally. We got these relative equal lows down here, but we're also now just inverting this daily imbalance. So, leaning a little more bearish today. Still kind of loose, though, with my bias. Holy shit. Give me a second, guys. My dog's outside, and it literally just started pouring. BRB. Kids, am I right? Yeah, that's kind of random. What the fuck? Just starts pouring. Yeah, just waiting, guys. 40 seconds till news comes out. We'll watch it release here. Other than, I guess you could say, like this candle before the down move didn't swipe the previous high there on ES, and Q it did. All right, prices. News is here. Price just jumped up to New York open price. Let's see if there's any sensitivity at all. Really starting anywhere from here to sweeping the 4-hour high. There we go. Opening range high just got swept. I don't see SMT at the high though. ES and NQ are both trading above it. Checking Dow Jones. Dow Jones is not. Dow Jones is not, so there is an SMT present with Dow. We'll see if price wants to start trading back down another range a little bit. I think I'm going to try for one short, guys, if we can pull it right back up into here. Stop at the high. We are inverting this gap to the left. Left a bearish gap over here. Should be a nice cheap trade as well. Tight stop. I'm going to hop in now.
Filled.
Stop at the high. 365 risk. Really tight risk. Of course. as soon as I jump in, it flies right to my POI. But all the reasons for the trade: higher time frame, 4-hour SIBI, and premium of the range. Opening range, high sweep. What else we got? Friday. I'm expecting there not to be a new high of the week delivery. What else we got? What else we got? I'm probably just going to take it down to all these lows down here, guys. And then, yeah, I guess BPR in here on the 15 second. Kind of a turtle soup type entry as well. At least I consider it to be one because we're dropping down so far in time frame. Civvy there. We'll see how this gap holds up. In the macro as well. And trading today on a 50K account. Gonna protect the capital that I made on the 150Ks. And the word on the street is these 50Ks are easier to pass, so we'll see. I assume that also means they're easier to fail. Oh, we also had SMT with Dow Jones up here. That was the one thing I forgot to mention. Let's see if that holds or not. Inverse this first gap. This bigger gap down here might do us in. Yeah, not looking good.
Order filled.
All right. Of course, we just put an SMT with ES there. You shitting my ass right now. I'm hopping in again, guys.
Order filled.
$365 risk on the first one, $295 on this one. We're still in this tight little range, so a couple swings at it. Good risk. I'd hate to get left behind after something like that. ES did not sweep this high.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm going to be done taking attempts on this range here, I think. At least on this time frame. But, yeah, I'm happy I'm on the 50K account. Yeah, I don't really like the fact that we just sweep this swing low and fly right back up. But we'll see if this gap wants to hold or not. Kind of don't feel great about it. Otherwise, really, the next time and price levels right here at 1030 coming up. So I guess here could be an inverse play if someone's really bullish today. Sweep of a low into a bullish gap. It just inverted a bearish gap. I'm not very bullish today, but we can tape read as if you entered right now. Stop here. Tape reading it, not going to take that. As far as like where you would target, maybe like this candle high here, this 30 minute inefficiency here. Something like that. So we'll tape read this. See if we leave behind any. Do a little 2 minute there. Might make a deal with the devil that if we leave this, tap back into it, I'll play it. Maybe it'll be attracted to my limit. You know, it's just I'd hate to be too bullheaded and like stubborn and like it'd kind of be delusional of me to say that we're not respecting bullish order flow. Even though I was not bullish at all going into this morning. But yeah, you could say this 50K account took a little fucking beating so far this morning. But yeah, that was kind of my thought process going into the day. The last couple weeks, I've really struggled on Fridays. Like, this is kind of perfect for like how I traded the last two Fridays. Last two Fridays, I wanted to see continuations higher and like new highs of the week. And then we ended up getting TGIF reversals. Now here I am this week expecting a TGIF reversal, basically. And now we're just been pushing higher all morning. But yeah, I thought there was a lot of confluences for the bears being in a 4-hour imbalance, right? Hitting this 1-hour bearish order block, OTE of this range could still happen, right? We're digging deep into here. But just traded down into this higher 2-minute gap. Could get left behind, to be honest. At 10:30 now as well. See, not gonna chase it. However, the tape read from just entering off the 1-minute inverse close, that would have been your opportunity. So in that case, it'll be a successful tape read if we don't get picked up. Hang on, guys. I might cancel this. We just formed SMT at the high again. NQ just ran the previous 30-minute candle high. ES is not. If this thing, I was gonna say, if this thing just shoots down, I'm probably getting out, or probably gonna cancel this. Had I taken this 1-minute inverse setup, seeing that just happen, I'd be removing my risk guard now, as well. You guys, I think we're just gonna cancel this. Something tells me we probably would have already wanted to be in this from the 1-minute tape read that we did, or probably would have wanted this wick to come back for us, and we'd be break even on that in that case. So yeah, we'll see if it still plays out. But yeah, reason for canceling it and would be risk free if we were in it would be there's SMT now at this high here with ES. This is the previous 30-minute candle high. ES is moving. Dow Jones is really moving. Oh wow. If we leave behind a gap here, that's where I'm shorting. All right, hand on the trigger. All right, set a limit.
Order filled.
Yay. Stop is, yeah, going right up here. Just going right for this little low right down in here. Yeah, probably last trade of the morning for me. This will be 3 strikes and I'm out if this fails. How much do I got? 3 something? Yeah, I'll probably just put my stop out here and let it let it margin call me. All right, that's the trade. I like what I'm seeing so far. It's time for me to get a refill. Keep an eye on this for me. Good vibes only. Oh no. What are you guys doing? Market or limit? I did a limit. Oh, look at that reaction from a 15-minute bullish gap. Oh, you hate to see that. You know, it's very possible I'm just totally offside today. Looking like that probably is the case. About to hit max daily loss for the 50K. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Order filled.
Account deactivate. Temporarily deactivated. Your account has seen daily loss limit. Fuck you, bitch. Well, that's that. Down 1,000 for the day on this account. Up like, I don't even know. Up like 1.5%, I think, on two different 150K accounts for the week. So yeah, offside today. Not my day. Wanted to see selling, shorting take place, and holy fuck, we're not shorting. We're going up. What do you do? What do you do? Why don't you guys tell me this was going to get inversed? Would have saved us all these losses. You can't tell me nobody brought their crystal ball today. Oh well. But yeah, 3 strikes and I'm out. That's it for me for the day. I'm not going to risk any profit on my other accounts. Yeah, just been not doing well on these last few Fridays. Like good every fucking day of the week, and then Friday comes and it's just like, you fucking thought. So that'll be it for me for the day, guys. Sorry to end on that note, but hopefully you guys are still green in some aspect for the week. These trades were cheap trades, like meaning stop loss wise. Like we never really had stop loss. Like one contract I lost 3 trades of about 300 apiece. That's a really tight stop, right? So as long as you guys weren't fucking going crazy with like super high contract size, you know, that's the big variable there. But yeah, I gotta call it there, guys. Gonna go do something else. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Heads up for next week. We got a bank holiday Monday, so Memorial Day, obviously not trading. Looking to trade Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, probably trading every other day next week. Last week of the month. But enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Memorial Day if you are celebrating it in any way, shape, or form. Sucks to end on that note, but we'll be back at it next week, guys. Enjoy your weekend, guys. We'll talk soon.